Every day it starts the same. We pull into the tent by cage. The pit is a silly game to keep our insanity. Self to change and random best of words and stage my only identity. Come on inside, we gotta roll away. Here we use the time. So you're funny, I'll pass on this adventure. Oh, you should. As you see, I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distraction. I know abstraction. I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. I know abstraction. No. Every day it starts the same. I get a taste of where I came from, but I can't recall my name or any other thing about me. And I start to crack my rhythm, get my breath. It's hard to say. I won't fall apart without me. Because I'm okay, doing your work today. Nothing to say. I stare into the mirror until I see completely. I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I know abstraction. I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. I know abstraction. No. I cannot eat, I cannot sleep, I have a mouth but I can't scream loud enough to change the scenery inside of this machinery. A polygon, a prison, I don't need your dumb distraction.